Good morning, everybody. Today is July 24th. Welcome back. Um, looks like we're back above Monday's range here. Uh, let's go out. So the daily Monday's range. So this was last week's. Let's go back to last week's high. We're also above last week's high. We are making higher highs slowly. Let's go to the 4-hour. So yesterday I marked out this 15-minute order block, and right here, so I had liquidity here, which we took out, then reversed up to Monday's high, and actually took out this, missed it by just a tad, couple points. Right, it was like maybe like 1 or 2 points from all-time high. But so I had this order block, we regained, we never took out Monday's low. So a swing fail here, reverse, took out Monday's high, and this was let me go back here. High, oops, hold on. I marked out the wrong, this is Monday's high here. So yeah, go back. That was Monday's high here, sorry. There we go. So almost, we took out Monday's low, regained Monday's low right there, and then pretty much almost took out, didn't quite take out Monday's high again, but we reversed on this 15-minute pretty much order block here. Okay, so where are we at now? I think we still go back and take out this. Wasn't very clean here. Wasn't a night. It wasn't a good sweep. So I think we do come around and take this high to finish out higher today. So actually, it's could take a long, and we could kind of project where we're going if we took a long here, cut below London's low, and at least take out the Monday's high. But let's see if we could get a better entry. But still, if we take this long here, not the best. I don't know if it came back down here. That'd be a pretty good trade if we come back to the New York Midnight Open. At least that's a 1.4R. I would take that trade for long, for sure. Better risk reward. There's a little 15-minute balance candle here. So if we go down the 15 minutes, see if we get maybe there's a 15-minute right here. 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So yeah, I'd be taking that long. If we come back down to like this area here, then take that long up at least till take out Monday's high. So still very bullish. That's what I'm looking for this morning. So if it sets up, looking for a long break Monday's high and this Asia high here. Very clean setup, more clear picture for a long. Yeah, it looks like it's coming up, but we'll see if it comes back down. It'll get me in. Right now, I mean, the risk reward isn't that great, so I'd have to wait at least maybe till New York Open if I get that. If not, that's okay. The risk reward isn't great right now. But yeah, please like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you want me to do any reviews, please like, comments. Thanks for joining.